Once upon a time in a distant galaxy, there was a cute yellow baby chick astronaut who loved to explore the universe with his small spaceship. One day, while traveling through a wormhole, he heard a strange noise. His spaceship started flashing red lights and making smoke. The little chick astronaut lost control of his ship and crashed through a portal that was hidden in the wormhole. When the dazzling light disappeared, he found himself in a strange prehistoric jungle filled with giant trees and colorful plants. He stepped out of his broken ship, his big round eyes wide open. In the distance, he could hear loud dinosaur roars, but they didn't seem to be dangerous. Taking a deep breath, the yellow chick astronaut decided to explore this amazing world. As he walked, he noticed a small, friendly T-Rex with a gentle smile coming out of the bushes. At first, the chick astronaut was frightened, but when the T-Rex waved hello, he realized that the dinosaurs here were not scary at all. They were actually very nice. The chick astronaut waved back happily and they quickly became friends. The T-Rex introduced the chick astronaut to his family and friends. There was Trice, the Triceratops, Bronto, the long-necked dinosaur, and Terra, the flying pterodactyl. They all lived in this lush green jungle full of adventure and excitement. But something was wrong. They all looked very worried. "Oh no," said Trice the Triceratops. "Our egg has mysteriously vanished from the nest. Can you help us find it?" The yellow chick astronaut felt a sense of responsibility. Even though he didn't know these dinosaurs for very long, he had already grown fond of them and wanted to help. "Of course," said Terra, the flying pterodactyl. "I'll search for it from above. My keen eyesight will spot that egg anywhere." And with that, Terra soared into the sky, flapping his giant wings as he searched. Bronto, the long-necked dinosaur, sighed. "This is a hopeless task. The jungle is so big, and without our egg, we cannot be happy." The yellow chick astronaut knew he had to do something. He took out a small scanner device from his spacesuit and started following the tracks left behind by the spaceship that brought him here. The chick astronaut walked and followed tracks until he found a big rock. He walked behind the rock and there he saw the missing egg. It was slightly cracked, but still intact. The chick astronaut carefully picked it up and called everyone over. They all came running as fast as they could. "Look, I found it," shouted the chick astronaut with joy. Together they carried the egg back to the nest. Once it was settled in, they all cheered and celebrated their success. Suddenly, the egg started moving and cracking open. A tiny baby dinosaur emerged, blinking his big eyes. He yawned, stretched his little legs, and smiled at everyone. The yellow chick astronaut and the dinosaurs danced happily together. The dinosaurs were so grateful to the little chick astronaut for helping them. He had shown them the true meaning of friendship and bravery. Together they were stronger and happier than ever before. After the celebration, the yellow chick astronaut went back to his spaceship. It was time for him to return home. Using his advanced technology, he quickly repaired his damaged ship. The dinosaurs waved goodbye as the little chick climbed back inside. Before leaving, he said, "True strength comes from being together." Friendship can solve any problem. The dinosaurs nodded, understanding the importance of friendship and teamwork. Then the spaceship lifted off and flew into the starry sky, leaving the dinosaurs smiling and waving until it disappeared. From that day on, the dinosaurs continued to live in their lush green jungle, always remembering the valuable lesson of friendship they learned from the yellow chick astronaut. They shared stories of his bravery and kindness, inspiring all the young dinosaurs to be the best versions of themselves.